Hey everybody, this is a quick video to talk about how to do a hard reset on your Samsung soundbar. If the Bluetooth isn't connecting or it's not connecting to Wi-Fi or if for any other reason it's just acting funky, just doing a factory default reset can sometimes fix a lot of the problems. Before we do it, just be advised, this is a factory reset, so it will be set back to its factory settings, which will mean it will forget any paired devices, any connections that it has, any settings that you've set it on will all be forgotten, and it will be like it came right out of the box. So if that's okay with you and you're ready to proceed with the hard reset, let's go ahead with no further ado. It's quite simple. What you're going to do is make sure that your power bar is turned on, and then you're just going to come in and you're going to press the volume down button and the volume up button, and you're going to press and hold simultaneously these two buttons for several seconds, and until it shows up, the screen shows up with INT, and INT means that it is initiating its default reset. And so it'll go through this cycle. It'll take 30 seconds or so, and then you will be able to turn your power bar back on and set it up as though you had just bought it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.